Want Claude to format your code automatically, block dangerous commands, notify you when work is done. Hooks turn one-time prompts into permanent workflow. Hooks fire at lifecycle events. Pre-tool use happens before Claude runs a tool. Post-tool use happens after. Stop fires when the session ends. Each can trigger any shell command. Configure hooks in .claude/settings.json. Add a hooks key with the events you want. Each event lists matchers and the commands to run. Auto-format after every edit. Set PostToolUse to match the edit tool, then run Prettier on the changed file. Now every file Claude touches stays consistently formatted, no extra effort. Block dangerous commands. Pre-tool use can return a non-zero exit code to cancel the action. Match on bash, scan for rm-rf, return 1, and Claude won't run it. Notify on stop. The stop event fires when Claude finishes. Trigger a system notification, a Slack message, a sound, whatever fits your workflow. Walk away with confidence. 3 things to remember. Hooks live in .claude settings.json. They run shell commands at lifecycle events. Pre-tool use can block, post-tool use can format. Save these patterns for later. The full sheet is linked in the description below. Try it now. Add a post-tool-use hook that runs Prettier after every edit. Next episode, MCP servers give Claude access to your databases and tools. See you there.